Hello. Well, after a long drive north, we've arrived in Bowness on Windermere. So what we're hoping to do today is take a lake steamer or launch and have a look at Ambleside. So we're going to see what the situation is regarding passenger numbers, and then if it's all good, on to Windermere we go. So catch you in a bit. Cool. How you doing, my dear?
Hi.
I had a bit of a result with the parking. It's a few days before Easter weekend, so the parking's unlimited, so that's really good. Apparently after Good Friday until the October the 31st, it's only a 2-hour parking spot, so it's not a lot of good other than just for a quick walk around Bowness itself. No way of parking where I parked and getting on the steamer, so bit of a result, and that's always a good thing in the lakes, because parking can be a game. Tickets and we got the time. A short visit, a couple of hours, but it'll be enough to get a feel, won't it?
Yes.
Looking forward to it.
We made it.
We made it. So you can feel the engines warming up. I think we're going to be away shortly. So join us as we head north on Windermere. It's the largest natural lake in England. For those of you that don't know, kind of the south side is like rolling hills. And obviously from the north, where we're going, so it's much more mountainous towards the north. So yeah, it's going to be good. I'm looking forward to this.
Yes.
We didn't get a chance to do it last year when we came to the lakes, did we?
No.
But you know, this time around we kind of moved it forward a day. Well, 2 days in fact. We've got a climb tomorrow. And Tuesday we've got some serious weather coming in, so we thought we'll go on Windermere today as opposed to 2 days time. So there we go. So we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye.
MV Swan, built in 1938 by Vickers of Barrow, is 142 feet long, weighs 251 tons at full load, and can make a maximum turning speed of 10 knots. Lake Windermere is a glacial ribbon lake formed approximately 14,000 to 16,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age. It is just over 11 miles long and about 1 mile wide at its widest point. It has a maximum depth of 219 feet. Bowness on Windermere, where we boarded the MV Swan, sits directly on the lakeside. However, Ambleside itself sits 1 mile north of Windermere, and we departed the ship at Waterhead. After a 1 mile walk along the busy road from Waterhead, we entered the lovely town of Ambleside, a honeypot destination in the Lake District. Lots of climbing, camping shops, bars, restaurants. Has a population of 2,600 people, but this is always swelled year round with tourists, climbers and hikers. A lovely place. Hi there. I think I'll end this film here. We're waiting for the last steamer back to Bowness from Ambleside. It's been a lovely afternoon. We enjoyed a walk around Ambleside, which is very, very nice. Recommended. I enjoyed it. Again, loads and loads of camp shops, which is always good. And Skye's enjoyed looking around the crystal rock shops as of high, so that's been good too. So it's looking like it's going to get a little bit of evening sun as well, which is never a bad thing, is it? So hope you've enjoyed our little film of steaming on Lake Windermere. Absolute gorgeous afternoon for us to do it, and see you in the next film. So thanks again, see you soon, bye for now. We took MV Swift back to Bowness. At 113 feet long, this vessel, built in 2020, has a diesel electric propulsion system and is beautifully quiet.